Hey guys, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can create Lindsay from Total Drama Island on Dress to Impress. Sorry about the loud noise, I just live in a bigger loud neighborhood. And okay, I'm just going to remove everything except for the hat and the hair. So for the hair, I use this hair. You do need VIP for this skirt, but if you don't have VIP, you can substitute it with something else. Color your hair FFB438. And then select this like hat here, like the brown beanie, and color it 4D69EB, this one. And for this, position the Y at 0.46, Z at 0.45, rotate the X to 0.81, and scale to 0.46. Then for the outfit itself, you are going to use this one in brown, I think. I have to like look at the picture again because I keep forgetting what I used. And then this one, and I think... well, let me check. Oh, red. Okay, in a red-ish color. Doesn't have to be super exact. Then I am going to get this skirt because it's kind of like a ziggy-zag pattern. I'm going to color it this orange, A54C14, and then like a lighter orange and then a darker orange. Then for the shoes, she wears like a cowboy boot. So I'm just going to go to the coat section, I think, and I'm going to wear this one. Select long and select the... did I do leather? I'll just do the leather one. And then I'm just going to color it like brown for all of it. Can I not change that? Okay. And I think that's pretty much it. Let me see that again. Yeah, I think that's pretty much it, really. I hope this tutorial is helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!